This is one of my favorite and quickest way of making paneer fried rice during my busy days. It is so simple and easy to make. If you have a bowl of cooked rice ready, it can be done in no time. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. These are the very few and basic ingredients required for this recipe. To start with, let's take a pan and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, add about a teaspoon of crushed garlic. To make the job easy, use a garlic mincer. Saute it very well on a medium flame. This adds a lot of flavor to the recipe and gives taste exactly like restaurant style burnt garlic fried rice. Next, I'm adding 1 small finely chopped onion, 1 chopped carrot. Keeping onions and all the vegetables finely chopped help them blend nicely with the rice and gives a beautiful taste to the fried rice. That's exactly what you see in restaurant and street style fried rice, where they keep vegetables so thin. That's why it tastes so good and perfect. Add salt as per your taste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. I'm not adding green chilies or red chili powder here. If you want, you can add them. Vegetables are nicely fried. Now it's time to add cubed paneer. I'm adding about 150 grams of paneer. Saute it in oil for a minute. This helps paneer to turn nice and soft texture. Now I'm adding about a tablespoon of green chili sauce, half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Keep it in a high flame and saute it very well. Next, I'm adding 1 bowl of cooked rice. While making fried rice, it is very important to balance rice, vegetables and spice properly. If anything goes too much or too less, it will directly affect the taste of the dish. So always maintain a good balance of all the ingredients to get perfect fried rice every time. Now I am adding some frozen corn. Now I am adding very important ingredient, green onions. This really completes the fried rice. It also adds a beautiful color and freshness to the dish. And here you go, a simple and quick paneer fried rice just like restaurant style but made easily at home. I also have egg fried rice recipe on my channel. Please check that out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.